An entrepreneur is a dreamer, a thinker, a storyteller, and a leader. Write that down. 4 distinct personalities: a dreamer, a thinker, a storyteller, and a leader. The dreamer has a dream, the thinker has a vision, the storyteller has a purpose, and the leader has a mission. Now hear me, if you don't understand that, you'll be constantly mistaking what in fact you're there to do in NewCo by thinking it's being driven by OldCo. It's not. It's being driven on a blank piece of paper and beginner's mind. Write that down. A blank piece of paper and beginner's mind. A blank piece of paper and beginner's mind.